My name is Judy. I just started the Nutrisystem Uniquely Yours Ultimate. And the frozen foods have just arrived. Well, actually, they arrived a couple of days ago in this gigantic box, which is a little bit more deceiving than you would think because inside it's got a lot of packing materials, plus it's very thick foam. So it's not quite as big as you might think. Okay, so I'm going to show you the frozen foods that I received. The dinners, some of the dinners are in boxes. So here's two of the pizzas, sausage and Italian sausage and the margarita. Here's a cheddar cheese, a chicken fettuccine alfredo, and a chicken parmesan, a roasted turkey medallion. Those are the ones in boxes. There's also a couple of dinners that are in little bags. This one is a meatloaf sandwich. And there's two of them. So put that aside. Okay, so those are all the dinners. Now I'm going to go into the lunches. Here's the chicken mozzarella melt. And there are two of those. And barbecued seasoned chicken melt. One of those. A spinach and cheese pretzel melt. A Southwest Fiesta melt. A grilled chicken sandwich. A hamburger. And broccoli and cheese melt. I think we may have already had one of those. Okay. Now that's dinner, lunch. Let's go to breakfast. We have two buttermilk whoppers. We have two home-style pancakes. Here is a cranberry orange muffin. That looks good. Here is a cinnamon raisin bagel. This is Canadian style turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese muffin. And a cinnamon roll. That's breakfast. The snacks. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have, ooh, this looks good. A s'more pie. I love the sweets. And this one is a chocolate cupcake. This one is a strawberry shortcake cupcake. And this is a red velvet cupcake. Did I already do the s'more pie? Anyway, there's another one. And another red velvet cupcake. A chocolate cupcake. I think I have two of those. And a fudge bar. I better get this in the freezer. It feels soft already. So, that's my first delivery. And when I get the dry goods, I will unbox those. So I hope you're interested in this and you'll subscribe to my channel and see what progress I'm making. I will be signing off now. Bye.